Want to know how to install Paladins on your PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Steam store. So you can just simply install Steam if you don't have it on your computer. And once that is done, you should be provided with this interface right here. Now make sure you are on the store. Now once you're on the store, here, now make sure you are under this search bar, and right here you can search Paladins. So once you have searched it up, you can just simply select it right here, and it should view something like this. So it's a free shooter game. So you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and now here you should be seeing free to play, and now here right beside it you should be seeing play game. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected play game, here you should be seeing installation menu directly. So you can just simply choose your drive that you had selected by default, and then just simply select install. So once that is done, as you can see, your download has been started right here. So you can just click it for more information, and right here as you can see, the download will begin. It needs around 30 GB of storage, so make sure you have it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.